Hello students, these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 33 special contractions section 5. Let's start with exercise number 141 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The introduction of new methods of locomotion has considerably widened the field of the newspaper and added further variety to the editor's duties. Among the most popular mode of traveling is that of motoring, the development of which has been very remarkable indeed. Newspapers have consequently enlarged the scope of their contents and given circumstantial accounts of anything and everything of importance associated with motors and motoring. There are also periodicals devoted altogether to the interests of motorists. Interested parties organize motor shows at which everything in the way of accessories from incandescent lights to the most insignificant but nevertheless necessary parts are exhibited, each and every one claiming to have certain distinctive features. The multiplicity of motors, both public and private, is a source of danger to the general public, for some motorists are unprincipled enough to be reckless in their driving. Such unlawful acts give offense and cause great alarm and inconvenience to those passing along our streets. Therefore, it is urgent that those in authority should seek an enlargement of their powers to check excessive speed whenever motors travel through the busy thoroughfares of our cities and towns, and to inflict severe punishments on all who transgress or attempt to transgress the letter of the law. Next is exercise number 142 on the same speed, 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, my committee have considered your communication of the 12th instant, drawing attention to several matters relating to the denominational schools in your district. The enlargement of the cross street schools received special consideration, and my committee are of the opinion that something should be done immediately in this direction to enlarge them again as they were enlarged 10 years ago seems to be necessary, and it is hoped to commence building operations during the coming summer. And to save time, my committee purpose giving the contract to the original builder of the schools, as the whole of the lighting of the schools requires overhauling. My committee have arranged for a report on the matter, and as the incandescence of the mantles in the offices here is very satisfactory. It is probable that similar incandescent lights will be fitted throughout. Notwithstanding your remarks, my committee think there will be no unfairness to the voluntary schools of the district owing to the recent circular coming into force in the autumn, and are of the opinion that nothing should be done to hinder its working. Yours very truly. Next is exercise number 143 on the same speed, 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Some say motorists should show more consideration and give attention to matters which concern the life and death of the frequenters of our roads. Though the difficulties are great, they are not irremovable, and motorists themselves can do a great deal to make them removable. Often, too, we hear complaints by denominational bodies that weekend motoring is injurious to the cause of religion in general, and there would be a general rejoicing among the churches if something could be done to convince people of their folly in spending their weekends motoring along the countryside. In our remarks respecting the onward march of civilization, it is well to consider all things together, and what brings misfortune to the few may carry with it great blessings for the majority of mankind. Notwithstanding this, however, there does appear to be a wanton heedlessness of those things which were very real and dear to the hearts of our forefathers. Next is exercise number 144 on the same speed on 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, I thank you for your circumstantial account of the centenary celebrations in your town. The reporting and sending of which show much consideration on your part. Whenever I can help you in similar circumstances, I shall be only too pleased to do so. It is remarkable that such an insignificant matter as the one you mention should give offense in newspaper circles. One would have thought that its very significance would have been sufficient to ensure its acceptance. Certainly, it is difficult to understand how anything of the kind could be described as unprincipled and unmannerly. It is a misfortune that such a quibble should be raised, and I hope that everything will be done to save any inconvenience to those interested in the press. Nevertheless, I do not think the cause is irremovable, but rather altogether removable, and I shall be thankful whatever is done to bring the parties together again. Yours truly. So these are the 4 exercises from section number 5, chapter number 33, special contractions. तो यहीं पे ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको मिलेगी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर 34 की. आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में कोई भी पॉइंट पूछना हो, कुछ भी क्वेरी हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.